me see. He said what? He said what? Oh God. Looks like I'm wearing earplugs. So I'm just going to turn it off a little bit. Nice going, GameCube. Oh. What? What? That's a extended theme of Mario Golf. Okay. Oh, they should have. Oh my God. Looks like I'm wearing earplugs now. Oh my God. Dude. What? Seriously? Another one out of these? Oh, GameCube. Oh. What? It just started over. It's not the end of Mario Bros. The music's still going, buddy. It is. That's what happens. Original music. Just put in this coffee already. No. Let's go play. Oh God, the Wii. Wow, it went super loud this time. Why? Stop. Having too much tears to the laughter. Has to stop. Oh dear. The Wii. Oh my God. This Wii console's going nuts, bro. It had too much loud volume. Are you kidding me? Oh man. What is this? Goodbye, Super Mario Bros. Well, that's how it ended. Looks like, and then, well, this dog keeps on howling. What the? Mario must have gone to World Zero this time. Wow. Then that's unused level. Well, that's an unused level. I don't think there's ever World Zero Mario games ever. My goodness. Why do you have to make something weird for this game? Come on. Is that it? That's how I edit. Oh my God. Oh God. That's the end. No. And Mario accidentally enters to World Zero for no reason at all. Whoa. That's just a different world now. Okay. You can just keep moving. And that's the end. The end. Why does it have to happen all the time? Ugh. Oh God. Everything was. Oh. What in the world's World Zero anyways? What in the world's World Zero anyways? It's never found in Mario game. And I told you he was going to howl again. That's how it ended. Everything was Bowser's. Okay. Everything's Bowser's. Okay. Everything is Bowser's. Don't worry about it. Oh. Alright, let's just keep going. Oh my God. There you are, Casey. Oh my God. He was flying. Pink! No! Oh my God. What? Who's flying? Sonic? Those are Smashing Pumpkins. Wow, that's the music. What? What? That's the music? Gotta go Google it. Oh God. I gotta go Google it. Oh. I sleep like a queen. Oh God. Everything was. That's how it ended. Everything. Well, it finished Mario Bros. Good. I guess I'm done with my speed running. And then Mario. Oh. Why? Oh. Everything was Bowser's. They're not Goombas anymore. They're now Bowser's. Really? That doesn't make sense. Purple? Why was it purple all that sudden? No, it's pinkish. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me now? What? How was he flying? The end. Oh God. Not again. Oh. Oh. Mm. Oh my God. Well, that's the end of Mario Bros. Then. This house going to be. Wow, Macy. You just like doing this, don't you? Whoa! That's an unused level. Okay. Don't worry about it. Oh my God. What? Oh, he'll probably come back in the evening again. Come on! Come on, Goomba. Get him, please. I mean, really, please. Please. Oh my goodness. I haven't played Paper Mario in a year now. Well, to be honest, well, that hurts. Ah! I have to do this immediately. Come inside to Mario. Step right up. Come on, you know. Time to do the Mario dance. Oh my God. Got it. Oh, ho, ho, it's late. I can't believe it. I'm spinning. Let me spin. Oh my God. Paper Mario. What the? Why does it have to happen? After. Oh my God. Ah, the game. We did not get Oscar just yet. I'm gonna try again. In case for him. And not played this way too long, honestly. I have 12 items. No more than 12. No less than 12. 15. This is the reverb. Man. I'm gonna keep scrolling till this is over. Finally, this is over. Too much items. Finally, that's what I've been waiting for. There you are. Now please, just chase me for a little bit. No, don't get near, princess. Just be distracted by a squirrel instead. Yeah, that's much better. Adios. Oh man. But Macy was already mad. Why? Oh, okay. Oh man. Again? Oh hey, I remember Pokemon Blue. I remember playing this, but to be honest, I like the Game Boy Advance a bit better. Just like, oh, Game Boy. But I haven't played Game Boy games in a while. But, what, it's something cute to see with. Oh dear. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Home sweet home Pokemon. Oh, the music. Oh, excuse me. Oh, come on, Professor Oak. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, come on. We know. Oh. She knew this was going to happen. Oh my God. Ah! Why is Professor Oak doing it again? He goes back. He's trying to go close to the trainer. Oh, the music. Are you kidding me now? Again? Okay. What was that about? Oh, great. Oh, again! This seems to be pretty normal for Pokemon Blue. What? Rat-a-tat? What? That's what? Oh my God. At least, okay, good. Let's go to another game, shall we? Why Rat-a-tat's a little battle? It's right, use this move. Charmander wins! We did it! Charmander gaining a boost of 1,495? Wow, that's fast! Don't forget to feed me. Get it? Charmander gaining a boost of 1,400 and... Oh my God, it's now at level 14. That's quick. Oh God. This Pokemon's so fast. How can you gain that much? How can you gain that much? What? Again? It was at level 8 before, now it's at level 14. Very strong. A little bit. Well, though. That was funny because, oh, Charmander grew to level 14. Oh, if it gains another one of these 1,000 experience points, it's gonna keep going. Oh, if you dare try to mess it up. Where's the Pokemon trainer? Where is he? Where is he? Well, that's it. I think that's... What's up with the A's? Come on already. There he is. What will it be for lunch? Your doggy food will be delivered to you. Because dogs love dog food. Okay. Not kidding when you do that. What's up with the A's? Come on. What kind of glitchy corruption is this? No, not this. Come on now. I'm talking to you. Better listen to me next time. Oh yeah, I knew it again. Oh God. What is up with the A's? Well, great, because... Oh, there's the trainer, but... Oh my God. This happens all the time. No, it doesn't. Oh my God. Why do you have a lot of A's vertically? I mean, really, why do you have A's there? Why do you have A's vertically? Ah, is that it? Oh my God. Where's the trainer? Where's the Pokemon trainer? Hey, where is he? Where's the Pokemon trainer? Well, it's just had vertical A's. What is going on? There he is. But that's his sprite. Yeah, I remember that. That's his sprite because, yes, they used to make games with sprites, but now it's going to be like, oh, the 3D models for a game. Or something drawn and animated for a game. It could be either which one. Yeah, but this is it, isn't it? Hey, back to normal Pokemon. That's awesome. Oh my God. Oh wait. Come on. He didn't release out his Pokemon in the title screen. Oh, I remember this. Now where is your Pokemon? Well, that's how you turn it off. Like that. This is a moonwalk. Just stand and move at the same time. Okay. I remember this. Why does the music sound like that? Alright. Well, I guess it's gone. You just have to make it disappear. Right here. Not fair. Hold on, let me go get back Lunar Poppy for the next video.